since I've been in this industry, all years have been very good. For me, being in this industry is very big. So I wouldn't say that any year has been bad, because that'll be not right on my part. So yes, this film, I hope it comes out and turns out to be a good movie and people like it, because the expectation is there. People want to see it, and I just pray that people like the film. Feeling is, when you wear a uniform, the feeling completely changes. You feel very responsible. You feel very proud about the responsibility what you have. So it has been a great honor to wear a navy uniform, and I'm glad people like it at the moment. Yeah. It's great when the industry supports you, and I'm very thankful to Salman for starting this whole thing, and then I'm very thankful to Ranveer, Sonakshi, Karan Johar, Sonam. So things have been. It is nice to see the whole fraternity coming together and doing this. So I'm very very thankful to them. I don't know. Z वाले बता सकते हैं इधर ही कहीं Z वाले बता सकते हैं, क्रियाज एंटरटेनमेंट वो बता सकते हैं, बिकॉज एवरी डे वी गेट अ शीट कि कल ये करना है. इस फिल्म के अंदर लुक के अंदर जो खास करके जो मेरी मूछें हैं, वॉज इंस्पायर्ड बाय माई मैनेजर्स फादर. शी इज़ अ पारसी. सो उनके मैंने पिताजी की तस्वीर देखी थी जब जो कि उनकी शादी में खिंचवाई गई थी, तो वो इंस्पिरेशन थी. बस यही है कि उस वक्त इट वाज सो नाइस टू सी ऑल द पारसीज देयर, एंड जितने भी लोग आप देखोगे उस मैरिज के अंदर, छोटा सा सीन है, कोई बड़ा सीन नहीं है, लेकिन सबके सब पारसी आए हुए थे, एंड वी वर ऑल वेरी हैप्पी, and it felt like a Parsi wedding, so the scene was very real.
Yeah, बहुत सारे मिले ना. They loved your look in it.
Yeah, so I'm just figuring out the way word and the way he said it. अक्षय, तुम पारसी कपड़ों में अच्छा लगता है. काफ़ी हेल्प होता है मुझसे. आपके उनके फैंस होते हैं, वो देखते हैं, and that they are saying कि you should go and watch it. So they are supporting the movie. So काफ़ी कुछ help. This idea, it just happened that Salman did it, and that's it. It's a different subject. It's based on real life stories, and it's the first time somebody is playing a Parsi Navy officer. Neither has anybody played a main lead Parsi or an officer's role. So, and plus it's a subject which is going to be loved by women, and this subject is also going to be, I think so, it can save a lot of people's marriages, and can just okay, no pressure कुछ नहीं है, because ये बहुत बड़ा हफ्ता है, and I think दोनों फिल्में आ सकती हैं, and it'll be very both the films can handle the whole week, and they both can come out as winners. देखिए, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता. मैं सुबह रात को जल्दी सो जाता हूँ, सुबह उठ जाता हूँ. अगर उसे डिसिप्लिन कहते हैं तो हाँ जी, वो डिसिप्लिन है. टाइम पर पहुँचना, तो इसको डिसिप्लिन नहीं, ये तो आपका मतलब आपको पहुँचना ही चाहिए, क्योंकि आपको पैसे मिलते हैं पहुँचने के लिए. ये क्या बात हुई, आप ऑफिस में पहुँचोगे, कहोगे जी हम लेट आए हैं, कोई बात नहीं. आपको तो पहुँचना ही पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपको पैसे मिलते हैं काम करने के.
Not really. I don't think Akshay is the sort of person who'll force sort of his tips unless you ask him. He's an inspiration. I actually was pretty inspired to start working out again, all over again after watching him. लेकिन बहुत ही खत्म है, हाँ. नहीं था ना, क्या करूँ. But I just think he's a really fun person to work with. He has that lovely balance of seriousness. और मेरे लिए तो it was really nice to have a co-star like him, especially for a role like this. So I think I was very lucky. It was an amazing experience.
I mean, the years that I've come in, अभी तक I really didn't expect कि कोई भी time पे होगा. So of course जब आप लोग बात करते time, so I understand, and what he's saying is right, because school में अगर आप late पहुँचेंगे तो आपको बाहर खड़ा करेंगे. I come from the defense background, so we actually did have time of our meals as well, our dinners as well. तो उसमें भी डांट पड़ती थी अगर हम लोग लेट होते थे. इवन अगर हम बाहर पार्टी जा रहे हैं और एक टाइम बोला नहीं आए तो भी डांट पड़ती थी. तो it's a good thing कि someone's valuing time. And more than that, I've been his fan, so of course I had a big fan moment working with him. And he's really helped me boost my confidence in the way that I was like negative है, ये है, वो है, and आगे भी जब मैं films का कुछ पूछती हूँ उनसे तो he keeps saying that just keep working hard and just don't lose focus and you know you'll get your due time.
I didn't honestly think about the Akshay lover's perspective. I just took it up, and I did have thoughts about, because normally I think it's safer to play a heroine role where you're a positive person and you come across as, someone who doesn't have a lot of flaws. But I like the fact that we not only showed this perfect marriage, but we also showed the cracks in the marriage. We also showed a woman who's really not perfect and who does make mistakes. So I like that. I like the relatability of it. And I mean, if I've done a good job, there may be a tiny amount of understanding from the women. Akshay's seen the film, I haven't, so fingers crossed that people like it. But I gave it my heart and soul. It was a very honest performance for me, and yeah, very emotional as well.
Is there
No,
a
I
common
think
concept?
it's men and women. I think it's a human nature. Maybe you can even say whether it's cheating in your exam or cheating on your spouse. Like even if you do slip, it's just that because it's a man's world, her film में ये दिखाया है, her life में दिखाया है, so they expect that okay, men should be forgiven because men are the ones who are bringing bread and butter to the table. I think that's the reason. But I think I'm not saying that men should cheat and women should forgive, or women should cheat and men should forgive. But it's just that if the man cheats, the same man, if the wife cheats, he should think that what if my wife cheats, would I forgive her? And just go for it. Just go for the forgiveness, or vice versa.
कौन सा स्पोर्ट्स होगा जो मैं करना चाहूँगा? ऐसे इसके बारे में मैंने सोचा नहीं कि कौन सा स्पोर्ट्स करना चाहिए. वैसे तो मुझे बहुत सारे स्पोर्ट्स अच्छे लगते हैं. मुझे वॉलीबॉल खेलना अच्छा लगता है, मुझे बैडमिंटन खेलना अच्छा लगता है. लेकिन मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं इसके बारे में. Well, it's a big thing that something like this comes and you are placed in such high places, and it's humbling. And बस यही मैं कहूँगा. थैंक यू. क्या कर सकता हूँ इससे ज़्यादा क्या कहेंगे. आज मैं सुबह न्यूज़ देख रहा था तो आज पूरा लाइव दिखा रहे थे एंड बहुत अच्छा लगा कि सारे देश उधर आए हुए हैं. एंड दिस इज़ द 37th ओलंपिक गेम्स विच इज़ हैपनिंग. एंड सबसे अच्छी बात लगी कि हमारे गवर्नमेंट ने ये रखा हुआ है कि जो लोग गोल्ड मेडल लेके आएंगे, सिल्वर लेके आएंगे, ब्रॉन्ज, उनको पैसे भी मिलेंगे. जी, मेडल के साथ साथ पैसे भी होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. क्योंकि बहुत सारे हम जब पढ़ते हैं कि कितने सारे ओलंपिक प्लेयर हैं जो गोलगप्पे बेच रहे हैं, जो जिनके पास पैसे नहीं हैं, जो ये सोचते हैं अपना गोल्ड बेच के वापस कुछ मतलब पैसे मिल जाएं. सो बहुत अच्छी बात है कि हमारे मैं ये भी पढ़ रहा था कि रेलवेज़ में से कितने करीबन 37 या 38 लोग वहाँ से भी गए हैं, उन्होंने भी इनाम रखा है और बहुत सारे लोगों ने इनाम रखा है. तो जब जीत के आएंगे तो उनको भी पता है कि मेहनत करेंगे, जीतेंगे तो मेडल के साथ साथ पैसे भी मिलेंगे ताकि उनका फ्यूचर सिक्योर रहे, ताकि बाकी के जितने भी बहुत सारे एथलीट्स हैं वो भी ये देखेंगे कि भैया हमारा भी ध्यान रखा जा सकता है, हम भी और मेहनत करेंगे. और यही सब चीज़ें बढ़ा के हमारे देश में और बहुत सारे मेडल्स आ सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द मेन रीज़न कि हमें ये सब कुछ देखना चाहिए एंड देयर शुड बी लॉट ऑफ मेडल्स इन आवर कंट्री.
Mine's a very complicated character, so I've got to word this properly. But what I think I can take back from her is that her faith in her husband and the amount of love that she has for her husband is something that never deters. So I like that about her very much.
What are you going to take back?
Why don't you answer?
I'm going to take my uniform.
Actually. No, I'm taking back my costumes as well.
Yeah. So and plus I'm not only going to take back, on the contrary, this film is going to give a lot of जैसे मैंने कहा था, it's going to save a lot of divorces, marriages, and it's going to stop people taking divorce because आप इतना सारा इन्वेस्ट करते हो एक रिलेशन के अंदर. So this is going to tell you what goes in. Yeah.
I think as character it's very different than what I am, but if I have to say, like, probably her determination never to back down. Like she'll always be that strong-headed कि अगर ये सही है तो ये सही है. No, whatever you guys know, we know exactly the same. I don't think he has anything he's not the type that he has a dual personality. We all have a lot of personalities in general. We are different from people, but he's very open.
छुपा के रखी है, दिखाया नहीं अभी तक. I have not seen any sort of.
मेरा नाम है अक्षय कुमार और मेरे परिवार वालों की तरफ से आप सभी सुनने वालों और देखने वालों को हैप्पी इंडिपेंडेंस डे.
Liana Cruz, and I'd like to wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day.
Hi, I'm Isha Gupta and wishing you all a very happy Independence Day.